How to hide WhatsApp channel suggestions. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide WhatsApp channel suggestion. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, to hide WhatsApp channel suggestion, there are a few ways through which you can do that. So here with that, let's move forward with the step 1. That is to go to the updates tab. So here first open WhatsApp and go to the updates tab, and there you'll see channels you follow and suggested channels to follow. So here the method 1 is to unfollow or mute the channels. So if you're already following the channels, then what you can do is you can just tap on that particular channel and hold on it, and once you have selected that, you'll get two options. One is to either mute it, or second is to just unfollow that particular channel. And with that, moving forward to the method 2, that is to hide the specific suggestion. So here, if you see a channel that you don't like in the channel suggestion, then what you can do is you can just tap and hold on it. And now here, what you can do is you can just tap on the hide icon, which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. So there you can just tap on it, and this will remove that specific channel from the suggestion. And that's it. That's how you can hide WhatsApp channel suggestions. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.